We're commemorating the central events of the Christian faith, the story of the Passion of the Christ, and doing it as part of a long tradition of passion plays and processions, public demonstrations that take the worship outside the walls of the sanctuary and bring it to the people. So that's our intent this day, to be both solemn and celebratory. Message of light overcoming darkness, of hope overcoming fear, compassion and suffering with overcoming division and hate. We believe these values are present in other religious traditions and ultimately are fundamental humane values for all people.